This simple building has been the focal point in Nigeria's fight against the Ebola virus. It is the isolation center where those infected have been treated. For the very first time, health officials have brought journalists here to talk about the 4 patients who have recently survived.
They've been symptoms-free for at least 3 days, and they've had their blood checked. They have now tested negative for Ebola virus. They are being counseled by the psychosocial team, and they will come in periodically for checkups. But by protocol, they are okay. That's why we are releasing them to go home. Yeah. That's the thing we have for you. The other people are there. That a few of them, there were 3 more there. They have been managed, have been monitored, and once they get better, we'll let you know.
Nigeria has not recorded any death now for the past 5 days. Health experts say that is a very encouraging sign. People are also far more aware of how to protect themselves.
I'm not at all scared. The thing is, it is when the thing has come to its full-blown state that you can avoid. But if you shake people's hands and you do the basics, you wash your hands immediately after. By the time you get home, you wash your hands. It's still okay. And you can tell people that have the Ebola, and the moment you wash your hands, I think you're okay, you're good to go.
Much of that awareness is thanks to an intensive campaign by the country's media. Local television stations have been reporting extensively on what Ebola is and how it spreads. Here at Television Continental, staff also take precautions.
We've also ensured that we've placed steps on how to wash your hands effectively, to get your hands thoroughly cleaned in our restrooms. We've had meetings from senior management down to the gateman on how to protect themselves. During our news hours, we also have promos on tips on Ebola, steps, how to protect yourself, what is Ebola all about, and what's going on now in Africa, or West Africa to be precise. We also have this running on our radio station, so we're not only educating ourselves in-house as an organization, we're also educating the public.
Newspapers too have been effective, pushing the message on prevention and treatment and debunking some of the rumors that have trailed the outbreak of the disease here. Nigerians have been loaded with so much information about Ebola in the last couple of weeks. That palpable tension you could feel when the first Ebola case was reported in this country is fizzling out very fast. When the war on Ebola is eventually won, apart from those medical workers who have volunteered to combat this disease, the local media here would certainly get a huge chunk of the credit for helping to stop Ebola in its tracks. Deji, Badmus, CCTV, Lagos, Nigeria.